Well, Cosmos on the 3-day chart is a little bit trapped here, but if we look at the past, it has a few times that it has tried to break out from the 200-day moving average. So we had an attempt here, another attempt here, but it didn't touch it. Then we had an attempt here. Then we had, this was the previous support, which was broken, came up, but lost strength and broke it again. And then it went up. This is a healthy up movement because it has stopped people here once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, and then it got up without much chance for people to hop back in. But then it goes down this much again, which is close to these levels, with losing a little bit of strength. Okay, so this is a little bit tricky because it needs a lot of strength to break up from these averages. Okay, so let's look at something else. Let's look at the weekly chart. Okay, this is not beautiful. Let's go to the, okay. If we look at this on the weekly chart, we have also the attempt here to break out of the 200-day moving average. So here, and then the stops that we saw happen over here in this area, and then up again, try to break it, was not able to. Now here, if you look in the weekly chart, we see some strength because it did not even touch on these moving average of the Bollinger Bands. Okay, so it's above this moving average, it's standing close to the quick moving average here. So the important thing to look at here now is BTC. If we look at BTC on the weekly chart, it's very healthy. So it has not given much chance to these guys here who stopped and who, or the guys who sold here because they thought they were going to buy cheap, not giving any chance for them, especially the retail. Retail doesn't hold a position for too long. They like to trade. So not much chance for them to buy back at a lower price. And if we look at the 3-day, we're close to these averages here where it's common to see a reaction at some point, especially as these averages approach. So in order for Cosmos to go up, we have to see this support working, and we have to see BTC going up, because as it goes up, then Cosmos can have the strength to break from these averages and break these short-term high to higher levels. Okay, so really now it's important to look at BTC, so whatever's happening to BTC and how it's going to react to these moving averages here. If it's going to, ideally we want a scenario where BTC goes up again, breaks these. Okay, this is an important resistance that I had to join here from a while ago. And I mean, people are not looking at my BTC analysis on this channel. It's unfortunate because it's the most important one. But if we come back to it and we break it, then we're going to have to fight on this one. Now, the bad news about this one, which is at about 118, is that this one, if it's not strong enough to break it, it can push BTC down to this level here, okay, 85. So there's a chance that if we break this, that this has not enough strength to make BTC come back to this quick moving average here for us to see what's really about, how strong it is. However, if we break this and we break this, and then we can really speed up the highs. All right, so that's it for now. Speak soon.